Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah. Today we are going to learn how to use this thing called NotebookLM. So firstly you're going to have to open it and first try NotebookLM. I'm going to have to sign in, so I'll just quickly pause the video and sign in. Okay, so after that, when you press the new notebook thing, then you should see this or this, because it's going to automatically open this. So if you don't have any source to add, just press this copy testing and then write what you want. So you're going to have to write something like coding and give details like coding is very good at a job and blah blah blah. So then I'm going to write all that because I am lazy. So as you can see, this is what it showed. Okay, so I'm just going to add another source where I write coding is very in demand nowadays, but sadly AI is taking over the jobs. Can insert this. Refresh, continue. Okay, so now I'm just going to write this because I don't know what to do. Now I'm going to write make longer or something. Just do that if you want it to become longer or something. Okay, this is too long, so I'm going to make it a little shorter. To add, there's this deep dive conversation. Okay. You can generate a conversation. This takes a few minutes, and I don't want everybody waiting for a few minutes. Okay, so after that you're going to see this thing called, it's titled it as the coding profession, and you just have to play it.
Okay. So we're diving deep today into the world of coding, and I think it's safe to say it's a pretty hot topic right now.
Oh, absolutely.
But there are also some anxieties, I guess you could say.
Yeah, for sure.
About where it's all headed. We've got some interesting
So as you can see, it has made this
snippets here that really highlight this kind of push and pull.
Audio.
Like one says, you know.
There's also interactive mode. I've used this myself before, and it is where the audio is going to play, but you're going to be able to add your own things. Like if you play interactive mode.
Okay, so we're diving deep today into the world of coding, and I think it's safe to say it's a pretty hot topic right now.
Oh, absolutely.
But there are also some anxieties, I guess you could say.
Yeah, for sure.
About where it's all headed. We've got some interesting snippets here that really highlight this kind of push and pull.
So anyway, that's the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.